A new report just revealed 40 jobs that artificial intelligence is actively replacing, and some of them might surprise you. Not someday, not in theory, right now. Tech leaders are warning that up to half of entry-level white-collar jobs could disappear, and unemployment could rise sharply within the next 5 years. In fact, unemployment among new college graduates is already climbing as companies quietly replace entry-level workers with AI systems. And this isn't just about obvious jobs. We're talking about careers people spent years in school for, jobs in media, finance, marketing, education, and tech, roles that were once considered safe. So if you've ever thought AI could never do what I do, you may want to think again. This list comes from a major Microsoft study showing which careers are being hit the hardest. The goal isn't to scare you, but to prepare you. Let's get into it. Customer service and call-based jobs are at the top of the list. Customer service reps, telemarketers, switchboard operators, and even emergency dispatchers are being tested or replaced by AI. These systems can hold conversations, solve problems, route calls, and work 24/7 without breaks. Front desk and hospitality roles are next. Ticket agents, travel clerks, rental clerks, concierges, and hosts are being replaced by kiosks and self-service screens that handle check-ins, bookings, and reservations. Writing and media careers are also being disrupted. Writers, journalists, editors, proofreaders, and technical writers are seeing AI generate articles, scripts, blogs, and reports in seconds. Some newsrooms are already using AI-generated content. Sales, marketing, and PR roles are shrinking. AI now creates ad campaigns, sales emails, product demos, presentations, and even predicts consumer behavior and PR risks. Certain teaching and education roles are at risk, especially business, economics, library science, and specialized college-level instruction. AI can build lesson plans, teach concepts, and answer student questions instantly. Finance and data-related jobs are also vulnerable. New account clerks, brokerage clerks, personal finance advisors, data analysts, market researchers, and statisticians can now be replaced by AI that handles portfolios, detects fraud, and runs complex models in seconds. Research and government fields are seeing disruption too. Political scientists, historians, archivists, and geographers are being impacted as AI analyzes massive data sets, reads historical documents, and produces predictions. Language and translation jobs are declining as AI translates speech, text, and video in real time. Web development and programming are changing fast. Instead of writing code manually, many websites can now be built from simple prompts. Even modeling and visual talent is being affected. Brands are using AI-generated models who never age and cost a fraction of human talent. Some airline and passenger service roles are also being partially automated through digital ordering and robotic assistance. If your job was on this list, don't panic, pivot. AI is eliminating some jobs, but it's also creating entirely new ones. The people who will thrive are the ones who learn how to work with AI instead of competing against it. Build digital skills, use AI to increase productivity, create new income streams. The future isn't about who works the hardest, it's about who adapts the fastest. Learn more from the link in the bio.